Holy smokes, there is 31 people on the website right now and I just got a sale. Let's go.
Yo, what's up guys, it's Ecom Snipa. In my previous video, I did a 48-hour dropshipping challenge and I absolutely crushed it on this new store. After posting that video on YouTube, I decided to keep pushing that store. I kept scaling it with the TikTok ad surf scaling strategy, and now the store is making $23,000 per week, which is absolutely insane. So today's video is going to be an update on what I did with the store after the challenge. I'll be showing you guys everything in my Shopify analytics and my TikTok ad account. I'll also walk you step by step through setting up the TikTok ad surf scaling strategy. This is my new strategy with a unique twist to help optimize for high budget scaling. I never shared this method before on YouTube and I'm going to be uncovering everything, so be sure to watch until the end. For those that don't know, the surf scaling method is the best TikTok ad strategy in 2023 for growing your Shopify store to 5, 6, or 7 figures a month. My favorite thing about it is that it's safe to use, it's not an exploit or glitch, so your ad account is not going to get banned if you do this. This has allowed my dropshipping businesses to grow with stability. But before we dive in, be sure to subscribe, drop a like, and leave any comments you have. I'll be responding to everyone in the comments. Alright, let's get right into it. So let's start with the store's performance today. As you can see, we've made around $4,000 in sales so far. About 27% of that is profit, which is fantastic. Now let's take a look at today's traffic. I started my ads at 10 a.m. with a small ad budget, but as the day progressed, I kept a close eye on my ad campaigns and surfed the high performers every few hours. That's why you see the traffic gradually increasing throughout the day, which is why we call it surf scaling. And now let's take a look at my results in the last 7 days. This store is now making $23,000 per week. It's incredible to see how fast it took me to come to this point. The best part is these results are consistent. As you can see, this store is making thousands of dollars every day purely from surf scaling. I've actually put together this PDF guide on surf scaling that's available exclusively in the VIP section of my Discord. To get your hands on it, simply click the link in the description to join. It covers all the rules and guidelines you need to follow to ensure success with this strategy. However, in this video, we're still going to tackle the basics of setting up the surf scale campaign. But before we dive into the tutorial, let's take a look at my TikTok ads dashboard. Today, I spent $765 across 4 surf campaigns. These campaigns started with a daily budget of $50 each, but throughout the day, every 3 hours, I came in to monitor the results. If a campaign was performing poorly, like this one with a CPA of $42, I quickly turned it off for the day. But for the campaigns that are doing well with low CPCs and CPMs, I increase the daily budget on those. You could either surf the budget by $50 increments, or if you want to surf more aggressively, just straight up double the budget every 3 hours for massive traffic waves. But check this out, my CPC today is just 21 cents and my CPM is $4, which is a complete game changer, especially for those who have been struggling with TikTok ads due to sky-high CPMs and CPCs. I've seen many fellow dropshippers wrestling with $1 plus CPCs and $30 plus CPMs, and it's tough, I get it. But with the surf scale strategy, I've cracked the code to acquiring customers at incredibly low cost. These results aren't a one-time wonder. Take a look at my ad metrics over the last 7 days. I'll hit that refresh button so you could see this is legitimate. As you can see, I spent almost $7,000 on ads this week alone, and my overall CPC remains low at just 19 cents with a CPM of just $3.86, which is a pure beauty. Anyone could do this, so I highly recommend you give this strategy a shot. Of course, keep in mind that you still need a great product, website, and creatives. That's a given, but when you have all that and combine it with a great TikTok ad strategy such as surf scaling, it could really be the biggest difference for your business. Now you might wonder why I prefer surf scaling over other strategies. While TikTok ads isn't as stable as Facebook ads, on Facebook, when you find a winning ad group, it usually performs consistently for an extended period of time. But with TikTok ads, every day is different. A campaign could do well one day and not so well the next. Surf scaling allows me to put my campaigns through a daily test by starting with a $50 daily budget, which is the minimum, and gradually increasing it to surf the high performing campaigns. This controlled approach prevents wasteful spending and helps me explore the best traffic pockets for the day, because remember, if a campaign sucks today, I pause it, but if I see campaigns actively bringing in sales, I make sure to increase a daily budget every 3 hours. Then at the end of the day, I reset the budget back to $50 to do the same thing the next day. Now moving on to the part we've all been waiting for, I'm about to guide you through each step in setting up a campaign for the high budget surf scaling strategy. First, hit create campaign, select custom mode, and choose website conversions. I'm gonna name the campaign, turn on campaign budget optimization, and set the daily budget to $50, then click continue. Next, connect a pixel and optimize for complete payment. Choose TikTok only as the placements for your ads, and in advanced settings, disable comments to avoid optimizing for the wrong type of audience. Next, I'm gonna select automatic targeting. This approach tends to yield better results when aiming for a wider audience. It's more effective than the traditional method of having no interest, which many of us are accustomed to. Quick note, not all the ad groups will be automatic targeting. Later, you'll see me duplicating this ad group 10 times and setting custom targeting on some of the ad groups. We'll get more into that in a bit. For locations, I'm gonna choose the United States and Canada. However, if you have an agency account, I suggest also adding UK and Australia to the list. For day parting, let's set it from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. Keep in mind that surf scaling involves periodic computer work throughout the day, so don't feel obligated to strictly follow the schedule I'm suggesting. Feel free to adjust the timing according to your preferences. Personally, I wake up at 9 a.m., which is why I start my campaigns at 10 a.m. so that I'm able to watch my campaigns. It aligns perfectly with my morning routine. And down here, choose conversions at lowest cost, then hit next. Now we're on the ad level. The first thing we want to do is turn on smart creative ads, which is very important because that will allow us to upload multiple videos and multiple text lines for split testing. For this strategy to work properly, we're gonna need to upload 5 videos and add 3 text lines. TikTok is gonna split test the creatives to see which combination of video and text performs the best, and then automatically focus the ad spend on the winners. The more you spend, the better TikTok will understand which is your best creatives, and combining CBO with smart creatives is such a powerful strategy because you're giving the TikTok algorithm the freedom to do its thing. And if you need high converting TikTok ads, check out DropifyAds.com. They have an incredible deal where you could get 5 videos for $160, and these are not crappy Fiverr videos. You're gonna actually get videos recorded by a hot female TikTok model using the product you send them. I highly recommend it if you need 5 video ads. The link is in the description. For the text lines, I have 3 simple call to actions. Next, I'm gonna choose only the shop now button, then of course put your product page link, and when you're done here, hit publish. The first ad group is created, but we're not done yet because we still need to duplicate this ad group 9 more times to have a total of 10 ad groups within the campaign. I like to keep 5 of these ad groups with automatic targeting. For the other 5 ad groups, add specific interests or combinations of interests to target different audience pockets. This balanced targeting approach allows you to explore a wide range of audience pockets. Another cool little trick is to set worldwide location targeting on only one of your ad groups, because then this ad group will get extremely low CPCs and CPMs due to the less premium traffic it garners. But the clever twist here is that this will bring down the average CPC and CPM across your entire campaign, which influences the other ad groups to perform better. This is a trick I've never seen anyone else share before. So that is how you create your first surf scale campaign, and depending on how high you want to scale this, just duplicate this campaign as many times as you feel comfortable. A quick note, you can't actually duplicate campaigns easily on TikTok, so just manually create it multiple times the way I just showed you. I usually start with at least 4 campaigns during the first few days, and I progressively add more campaigns when I see things going smoothly. But I know people that straight up launch $10, $50 CPO campaigns on their first day of launch, and they surf aggressively by doubling their budget every 1 to 3 hours. Keep in mind, there's no exact budget or magic number of campaigns you need to have for success. All that matters is that you start now, create some surf campaigns, and if you see a campaign actively bringing in sales, simply surf it. It's pretty easy to get in flow during this after you try it once. And don't forget, be sure to reset your daily budget back to $50 on all your campaigns at the end of the day, so that way you'll be resetted for the next day. That covers the fundamentals of surf scaling. Keep in mind, there are 3 distinct types of surf scaling setups: low budget, high budget, and automated surf scaling strategies. For a deeper dive into these strategies, check out the full PDF PDF guide available in the Discord, and be sure to use the link in my description when signing up for a new TikTok ad account. I hope you guys understood this strategy. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like. I wish you the best of success with your dropshipping journey. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.